Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. You're welcome. Hi, guys. Good morning. So today um, I'm recording through Facebook directly. I'm not using what I normally use, so the setup may be different, but you're very welcome, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. We're going to be talking about the rest of the travel and the pandemic video we started yesterday. This is the final version. Today we were just on for a very short while, and then we can go back to our lives. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Drop me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. I won't be sharing my screen because I'm recording directly from Facebook. I wanted to see you know how this would be. So Um, I'm not even sure where to put my phone number. Okay, let's just continue. Today we're talking again, as I said, about travel and then the pandemic for green card holders. So stick with me. I just happened, okay, yeah, right. I pulled up the document. I have the documents with me here, so that's what we're going to be talking about. So hopefully this video won't last more than 5 minutes, so please stick with me. So, if you are a green card holder and you are seeking U.S. citizenship after a lengthy travel, here's what you need to know. To apply for naturalization or citizenship as a green card holder, there are two, you know, presence requirements. There's the number one, the physical presence requirement, and the number two, the continuous presence requirement. These are also very two distinct legal concepts, but today we'll just be covering the physical presence requirement. Okay, so I'll do another video discussing the main difference between the two presence requirement concepts. But today we're still talking about travel, the pandemic, and then the green, being a green card holder. So to apply for naturalization, you must be a green card holder who has been physically present in the US for at least half of the required period of continuous residence. So, for people who are applying for citizenship based on the fact that um, they have been green card holders for the past 5 years, one half of the required period is 2.5 years, which is 30 months. Okay, 30 months. And for people who are applying for naturalization or citizenship based on the fact that they're married to a US citizen, they've been married to a US citizen for 3 years, their physical presence requirement is one half of the 3 years, which is 18 months. Okay, so you need to prove that you have been physically present in the United States for a period of 30 months or 18 months, depending on the basis of your application. And also, you must have lived 3 months in the U.S.CIS district of residence, so where you live. So, if you've moved to, let's say, a new district in Maryland, you must have made sure that you have lived there for 3 months at least preceding your application before you apply for naturalization. Okay, so pretty much that's it. So far, the effect of absences of over 1 year due to the pandemic has not yet been, you know, determined by the U.S.CIS. Normally, yesterday we discussed this, if you have been here over a year, it's presumed that you have abandoned your green card. But when we're talking about naturalization, based on the pandemic, like if you are trying to apply for citizenship and you have been absent over 1 year because of the pandemic, the USCIS has not yet determined that issue. But American Immigration Lawyers Association, AILA, is advising that, well, it's better to usually put a hold on your application because you need to prove to them that you satisfy the residency requirements. And so a lengthy absence would usually affect your eligibility. So just wait. Well, of course, always better to consult with your attorney and let's see the permutations and see what's going on and see if it's advisable for you to apply or not. So I wouldn't give a blanket ruling that wait, you don't qualify. It just depends. So yes, make sure to consult with an attorney and then see what your options are. All right, so pretty much I'm going to make the final comment and then that will be it for today. I have a few meetings for the rest of the day, so just other travel restrictions to remember. So for immigrants and non-immigrant visa bans, remember that these bans have been lifted. The first note is that if you are awaiting entry of a family member, remember that President Biden issued an executive order. I created a video on that also last month in February when he did, on February 24th, 2021, and he lifted the immigrant visa ban. So people looking to immigrate to the US, immigrant visa ban has been lifted. PP 10014. All the videos are on my YouTube or my Facebook. You can find them. I went into detail. And then I'm sorry I have such a croaky voice. I'm recovering from a flu, so please forgive me. And so this ban, the immigrant visa ban, has been lifted, and the point is that they want to reunite family members of US citizens and green card holders. So um they want them to obtain their immigrant visas and then join their families in the United States. And then on March 31st, 2021, the non-immigrant visa ban that restricted entry of temporary workers to the United States was also lifted. This was Presidential Proclamation PP 10052. I created an extensive video on it. I discussed everything. Go back to all my videos and you'll find this. So they are currently issuing non-immigrant visas. So if you're coming for B1, B2, temporary visit, students, all these fall under the non-immigrant visa. So the embassies and consulates around the world have begun issuing visas. So make sure you apply or consult with your attorney if you need more assistance. And also, if you're traveling to other countries, if you're contemplating other international travel, confirm admission requirements, okay, and procedures, because there are countries they've implemented travel restrictions in the form of mandatory quarantines, enhanced health screening upon arrival or return. And then finally, there's prohibition on travel for all non-citizens of those countries, where you're going to, and then temporary closure of consulates. Okay, so guys, this is just an update on the travel atmosphere, what's going on. Um, specifically if you're a green card holder, you've been stuck outside the US, these are things you should be mindful of. If you're planning on applying for naturalization, you should be mindful of these things. Well, thank you so much. As you guys can tell, I'm not feeling too good, but we continue to work really hard. Um, I'll be at my desk, answering questions through my booked consultations and working on cases that we have currently. So, if you need help, please call me on 802-7800-564, and I will be happy to assist you. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of the day. I cannot see comments. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, I see them here. Jael says, okay, Jael is tagging somebody. Olamide Adebayo says, hello. Um, hello, Olamide. Okay. All right, guys. So let me just put in my number for anybody that wants to call us. 564 to book a consultation, and we will be happy to assist them. Guys, as always, be safe and be good. Stay out of trouble. All right. Uh-oh. What's going on? Today is just a little bit of I'm recording directly from Facebook, so please forgive me. I'm trying to pin our phone number, but there's a bit of a glitch. So, well, I guess I have to end the video for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.